Dark reaction occurs in night and light reaction occurs in daytime. Okay, day to night comparison. Clear? Next I will explain about photosynthesis reaction, metabolic activity reaction. Okay, aerobic reaction in human body and plant photosynthesis reaction in plant body, both of botany and zoology. Okay, clear na? Groma and stroma light reaction takes place only in the presence of sunlight and grana, in chlorophyll, and air takes place in stroma. Both are very simple, stroma and air grana. Okay, next process of photosynthesis by metabolic activity. So you can see here metabolic activity. So first I want to describe about one plant and a very simple. Okay, here I will divide it into three types. So first here root, second stem, third leaves. Very important for photosynthesis. Okay, clear? And what is this? This is a tissue organelle form, meristose tissue and active cell division, and here active cell division. Active cell division means active cell division, base of stem and root, base of leaves and stem, both base and leaves and stem, between leaves and stem, and here stem and root. Okay, so also acid here. Okay, clear? And leaves for CO2 position and root for H2O position, and stem, you can say stem, and stem for active cell division means meristose growth. Meristose growth. Okay, clear? So only 5 points here: CO2, O2, H2O, and green pigment and sunlight. So photosynthesis reaction completed. So what about reaction? And you have to see CO2 plus H2O in the presence of green pigment and sunlight. Then you can take main product carbohydrate, and what is this? This is carbohydrate and plus O2. Okay, clear? And what about CO2? And you have to see. And what about CO2? Here leaves. Okay, leaves absorption. Okay, clear? Leaves up. And what about H2O? Root also same absorption. And here in the presence of green pigment and sunlight, they are positive catalyzer for photosynthesis. They are positive catalyzer for photosynthesis, both green pigment and sunlight. Okay, both green pigment and sunlight, they are positive catalyzer for photosynthesis. Clear? Next, they are positive catalyzer for photosynthesis reaction. So I will write here positive catalyzer, positive catalyzer. Clear? And what about CXH2O here? Digest body. I know digest body, also tissue form. Okay, clear? But what about O2? O2 means release position, excrete position for human beings, because they want O2 by nostrils, by respiratory system. So here only release, and CO2 absorb, O2 release, CXH2O all by in digest body for tissues form meristose tissue, active cell division, and growth increases the point. Okay, and in the green pigment and sunlight, both of these are called positive catalyzer for photosynthesis. And H2O root absorb position, because root water. Okay, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Clear? And here leaves, okay, leaves. Clear? So raw materials here, raw materials. CO2 and H2O. And what about photosynthesis, component of photosynthesis? CO2, H2O, O2, green pigment and sunlight. Sunlight, sun energy, green pigment, green plant. Okay, green pigment, green plant. And H2O, water for roots, CO2 for leaves and O2 for human beings. So very simple reaction here. Okay, clear? Dark reaction, light reaction. So all of this clear. In case I will remove green pigment and sunlight, then what is the effect of metabolic activity for human body? So what will be answer here right now? When then I will relieve, then I will increase, excrete green pigment and sunlight. So what is the effect of photosynthesis? Without green pigment and sunlight, plant reaction not possible. Then what will be answer? And you can see here, then what will be answer? Simple reaction, CxH2O whole by plus O2. Without green pigment and sunlight, without positive catalyzer. So what will be effect? CO2 plus H2O. Aerobic reaction for human body, human beings. Clear? Simple. Okay. So now revision. Photosynthesis reaction. Photosynthesis, component of photosynthesis reaction. Comparison between dark reaction and light reaction. Green pigment, what about green pigment? Chlorophyll, sunlight, photochemical energy. Here also you can see takes place only in grana and it is called photochemical reaction. It is also known as Hill reaction because it is discovered by Robert Hill. Okay, and dark reaction takes place in stroma. It is also it used in Calvin cycle. It is also used in respiratory overviews, both Calvin cycle and Krebs cycle, and here it is also known as Calvin reaction because it is discovered by Calvin and his co-workers, group reaction. Okay. So second, metabolic activity. What about metabolic reaction? All chemical reactions in human body, in our part, in human body, in plant body, it is called metabolic reaction. Catabolism, anabolism. One reaction for plant body and another reaction, one more reaction is human body. Clear? So here photosynthesis reaction. Both of raw materials in the presence of green pigment and sunlight, then what will be a product? CxH2O whole by, and what is this? This is carbohydrate and plus O2, O2 for human beings. You can see structure there, leaves for CO2 acid active cell division, responsible for growth production, and meristose stem and root H2O form, and here raw material CO2 H2O, and what will be component of photosynthesis reaction? So CO2 H2O, O2 green pigment and sunlight. Green pigment responsible for green plant and green colors, and sunlight for sun energy. Okay, photo energy, positive catalyzer, green pigment and sunlight. Very most important, green pigment and sunlight. Okay, and in case I will remove a green pigment and sunlight here, then what will be effect for photosynthesis reaction? It is not used for a plant body. Okay, so I will say for aerobic reaction in human body, because you can see here CxH2O whole by carbohydrate plus O2. O2 absorbed by nostrils in human body, the respiratory startup position, and I will remove a minus means positive catalyzer out. So what will be product? CO2 plus H2O, aerobic reaction for human beings. Okay. So also comparison both catabolism and anabolism will be completed in next lecture for high level. Okay. Now what about some questions for process of photosynthesis? So you can say, okay, next lecture will be about photosynthesis reaction. So it is also known as chemical energy and it will be refundable. So process of light reaction, it is also known as dark time, daytime. Okay, takes place in grana, very most important, grana and stroma. I will comparison about stroma and grana. It is also as clear. How can I remove? How can I remove? Okay, some structure point, thylakoid and any other else say about, so this take place grana. Okay, and about disc plates and main composition of dark reaction and light reaction. Dark reaction, it is also occurs in night time, and light reaction, it is also occurs in daytime. Okay, very most important. Second will be scientist position. Light reaction, it is also known as Hill reaction because it is discovered by Robert Hill, and another is dark reaction, it is known also as Kelvin reaction because it is discovered by Kelvin scientists and his co-workers. Okay, thank you very much.